Transitions is a nationwide network of over 200 offices across the country. So if you're packing and moving out of state, we can help with that. We can connect you on the other end and get you totally resettled. We can assist you with deciding what to take and what will fit. We can do any packing, set up the movers, and get you totally resettled in your new place. And then we can help with any unwanted items. So we do liquidation through online auction or estate sale, and we can also get the house totally empty with donation and disposal. Contact us through our website, caringtransitioncincinnatiwest.com, or our phone number, 513-619-7906.